Have you ever wondered how robots have become so integral to our lives and what the future holds for these fascinating machines? Let's dive into the world of robotics. Robotics is the intersection of engineering, computer science, and technology, giving birth to intelligent machines that are capable of performing tasks autonomously or under human guidance. These machines, known as robots, have seen application in a vast range of industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to space exploration and entertainment. So what is robotics? It's the science and technology of robots, distinct from automation and other technological fields, with its own unique concepts, components, and principles. The history of robotics is a fascinating journey that begins with ancient automata and leads us to the advanced robots of today. It's a chronicle of human ingenuity and innovation, showing our relentless pursuit to create machines that can mimic human actions and, in some cases, outperform us. There are various types of robots, each designed with a specific purpose in mind. Industrial robots, service robots, medical robots, and many more, each with their own unique capabilities and applications. Every robot is made up of essential parts, including sensors, actuators, controllers, and effectors. Understanding these components is key to grasping how robots function and interact with their environment. Programming languages like C++, Python, and visual programming environments are used to instruct and control robots. This is how we tell robots what to do and how to do it. Robots sense and perceive their environment through sensors like cameras, LiDAR, and touch sensors. This gives them the ability to navigate and interact with their surroundings. Robots make decisions and navigate their environment autonomously, a crucial aspect for their operation. This is where the fields of control and navigation come into play. Robots have a wide range of applications, from manufacturing and agriculture to healthcare and space exploration. They have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, making tasks easier, safer, and more efficient. However, the field of robotics also faces several challenges, including safety, ethics, and human-robot interaction. These are important considerations as we continue to integrate robots into our society. Looking to the future, we see exciting advancements and emerging trends in robotics. Artificial intelligence, swarm robotics, and human-robot collaboration are just a few of the areas that promise to transform the world of robotics. Robotics is an exciting and rapidly evolving field with the potential to significantly impact our daily lives. Whether you're a student, an aspiring roboticist, or simply someone curious about the robots that surround us, understanding the basics of robotics is the first step toward appreciating and contributing to this innovative and transformative field.